Hello and welcome in another 360 camera upgrade video. Today we have this Volkswagen ID.4 and I'm actually recording at the stage where we already have done quite a lot of work for it. So we've got the front camera already in. We are waiting for the side cameras. We've got all the wiring and everything prepared, so the car has been put together already, but we're waiting for these to arrive to connect them. Then we can do all the programming, calibrations and everything. And we also have the rear camera that is sitting just here. So that's already has been installed as well. And this will be completed as soon as we receive those parts. So obviously it's still in process. I haven't managed to record the video before we done any work to it. So obviously this is kind of in progress. We still have some work to be left on the car that needs to be completed. So as soon as these parts arrive, we'll be able to complete the work, do all the calibrations, programming and everything that is required to complete it. And then we show you how the system is fully working. The remaining parts arrived, they're already fitted, everything is programmed in, all cameras calibrated. So let's have a look now. Obviously the main thing is the mirrors that you can see there. They are correct ones with the correct cameras now. So that's one, and the other one is here, which we can see as well. Obviously we already have the front camera in the badge that is here, and we also got the rear that is in the grip here that you can see. So that's there as well. So let's see now how it all performs. Right, I moved the car to the front of our workshop so that we can have a better test moving forwards and reversing and so on. So let me select the reverse gear. This automatically brings the camera, so you can see the rear view, the main rear view camera picture here with the moving guidelines. And you can also see the 360 view of the car, what's happening around. So that's on the side, they're working in conjunction. Now, if I move forward, if I change the gear to move forward, that changes automatically to show the front camera again. So if I move forward, as you can see here, I can see we're approaching the post, and you can see the same here. And if I select the reverse gear again, this changes back to the rear view and brings the main picture for the rear, so we can reverse back into our gate. Now you've got other views as well with that. So if I select, let me just get the beeping off. Sorry. So when I'm in the rear view, as you can see here, the guidelines move with the steering wheel, so they move, but also the camera lens also moves left and right. So if I show you going the other way, right, there you go, that moves as well. Then you can have different views. You can have a trailer view. So if you're attaching trailer, it guides you for that. You can have like a wide aspect view for the rear, what's happening exactly. I call it like a fish eye. We can also manually change the views by pressing on this smaller screen here. So if I want to press front, you can see I've got a fisheye. I can change that to the normal view with the guidelines, or have a fisheye here. I can go to the sides. Sides will show me left and right. So I select these all from the screen. So I can go front, I can go rear, and I can select whichever view I want. So that's all down to the factory specification, including 3 years warranty. If you're interested in having this kind of upgrade done for your car, just get in touch with us. Links will be in the description. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.